Guys, Valve, can you please explain what this is? If going first person, I'm just moving slow. Then I go third person. I'm just like, I can't even jump. I was just hanging off. I'll show you what I was hanging on. If I can just. Oh, you kidding me? I'm so slow. So I was what I was doing was I was hanging off that. I fell down. Coach healed me when I was in the air falling, so I didn't take any damage or die. So he healed me, and then I went in third person, and I found myself in this position. So Val, can you please explain what this is? Please. It's just, I don't like this. It's weird, and it's creepy. And I was thinking, what if I do this in game? People get mad at me? Or then will they be weirded out? I'm not sure. So, hope, Valve can fix this. Yep. Bye, guys.